Oh, hi. Excuse me, is this the right office?
Yes, it is. You must be new.
Yes, today is my first day at work.
Congratulations. That's exciting.
Exciting and a little scary.
That's very normal. The first day at work can feel a little confusing.
Yes, new people, new office, new rules.
And sometimes new English words too.
Exactly. So today we are going to help you.
Welcome to English with Cheri.
I'm Cheri.
And I'm Nic.
Today's lesson is First Day at Work.
This episode is for beginner learners, level A1 to A2.
By the end of this episode, you will know useful phrases for your first day at a new job.
We will teach simple phrases and then practice a real conversation.
We will also repeat the phrases together so you can practice speaking with us.
So listen carefully and speak out loud when we ask you to repeat.
Ready, Mick?
Ready.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a new office.
You feel a little nervous.
Your hands are a little cold.
Your brain says, oh no, everyone speaks English.
Yes, but don't worry. Let's learn the first phrase.
Phrase number 1 is very simple.
Hi, I'm new here.
This is a friendly way to introduce yourself.
For example, hi, I'm new here. My name's Cheri.
Or, hello, I'm new here. Today's my first day.
You can also say, hi, I'm new here. I just started today.
This helps people understand that you are new in the company.
And most coworkers will want to help you.
Let's practice together. Say it after me. Hi, I'm new here.
One more time. Hi, I'm new here. Okay, phrase number 2.
This is a very helpful question.
Where should I go?
On your first day, you may not know where to go.
Maybe the meeting room,
Maybe the manager's office,
or the human resources office,
or the training room.
or the coffee machine. Very important.
Very important.
Example. Hi, I'm new here. Where should I go?
Another example, excuse me, where should I go first today?
Let's practice. Where should I go?
Again, where should I go? Phrase number 3, nice to meet you.
You say this when you meet a new coworker.
Let's practice. Nice to meet you.
One more time. Nice to meet you. Phrase number 4 is very common.
What do you do here?
This means, what is your job?
Maybe the person is a manager,
Or a designer.
or an engineer,
Or the person who fixes the printer.
the most important person in the office.
Absolutely.
Example, nice to meet you. What do you do here?
Another example. So, what do you do here at the company?
Repeat after us. What do you do here?
Phrase number 5.
Can you show me?
On your first day, you may need help.
Maybe you don't know how to use the computer system,
Or the printer.
or the office chat system,
Or how to book a meeting room.
or the copy machine again.
Coffee is very important at work.
Very important.
Example. Can you show me how to log in?
Another example, can you show me how this system works?
Let's practice. Can you show me? Phrase number 6.
What should I do first?
This is a great question on your first day.
Your manager may give you tasks,
But sometimes you are not sure where to start.
so you can ask, what should I do first?
Another example. What should I work on first today?
Repeat with us.
What should I do first?
And our final phrase today,
Phrase number 7.
thank you for your help.
This is very polite.
And people always appreciate it.
Example. Thank you for your help, Nick.
You're welcome.
Another example. Thank you for helping me today.
Let's practice.
Thank you for your help.
Okay, now let's hear a longer conversation.
Imagine Cheri is starting a new job.
And Nick works in the office.
Hi, excuse me.
Yes?
Hi, I'm new here. My name is Cheri.
Nice to meet you, Cheri. I'm Nic.
Nice to meet you too.
Is today your first day?
Yes, it is.
Welcome.
Thank you. Where should I go?
You should go to the front desk first.
Okay.
They will give you your ID badge.
Good idea.
After that, you will meet your manager.
Oh, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
That makes me feel better.
What is your job here?
I am a marketing assistant.
Nice. What do you do here?
I work in IT.
Oh, good. I may need your help.
That's my job.
Actually, yes, I already have a question.
Sure.
Can you show me how to log into the computer?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
No problem. And, what should I do first today?
Your manager will probably give you a small task.
That sounds good.
Maybe you'll read some documents or join a short training meeting.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
Just relax, ask questions, and learn.
Okay, I will.
You'll do great.
Thank you for your help, Nick.
You're welcome.
Okay, listeners, now we have a small challenge for you.
Listen again, this time a little faster, and try to hear the 7 phrases we learned today.
Try to understand without reading. Ready? Hi, I'm new here. My name is Cheri.
Nice to meet you, Cheri. I'm Nick.
Nice to meet you too. Where should I go?
Go to the front desk first. They will give you your ID badge.
Great, thank you. I'm a little nervous today.
That's normal. What is your job here?
I'm a marketing assistant.
Nice. What do you do here?
I work in IT.
Perfect. Can you show me how to log into the computer?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
No problem. And, what should I do first today?
Your manager will probably give you a small task.
That sounds good.
Maybe you'll read some documents or join a short training meeting.
Okay, that sounds manageable.
Just relax, ask questions, and learn.
Okay, I will.
You'll do great.
Thank you for your help, Nick.
You're welcome.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn to practice.
We will say a phrase.
And you repeat after us.
Ready? Hi, I'm new here.
Nice to meet you.
Where should I go?
Can you show me?
What should I do first?
Thank you for your help.
Great job practicing.
These phrases will help you feel more confident on your first day at work.
And remember one common mistake.
Many learners say, I am new in here.
But the correct phrase is, I'm new here.
Simple and natural.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Think about this.
What was your first day at work like?
Was it exciting?
Was it scary?
Tell us in the comments.
We love hearing from our listeners.
And if this lesson helped you,
Please like the video.
And subscribe to English with Cheri.
We make simple English listening lessons for beginners, so you can learn English in real-life situations.
thank you for listening.
And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.